very warm welcome to RAF Limbs. This is Swarook Hossain. After a very long time, I'm back with a new video of Koha OPAC interface designing or Koha OPAC customization. In this video, specifically, we will learn how we can use CSS to design Koha OPAC interface, and we all know CSS cascading style sheet is one of the very famous, one of the most important language to design uh, web pages or website. Not only Koha but also number of website we can use, we can design by using CSS. So in this video specifically, we will cover few important areas of Koha OPAC by using CSS. So don't miss this video. This will be a very important video. So let me open this demo site. This is actually Koha demo site. This one is a staff interface, and we have also the OPAC, and this is the default OPAC page of Koha. Koha 21.11 here we are using as a demo site. So now, what we are going to cover first, see, in any web page or on any website, the most important part is actually the body. So you can see the body of this opaque is actually white. So we can change the body color by using CSS. So we need to go in Koha staff interface in administration, Koha administration, and we can go in Koha global system preferences. In Koha global system preferences, we have opaque, and in opaque, we can go down to Koha opaque user CSS. There you can see the opaque user CSS, and there we can write some CSS to design Koha OPAC. So what we are going to do, we are going to change the body color, and the body is background color would be, you can write direct color name instead of color code, semicolon, close the bracket and save this. Now see, this background color will change to red. It's quite simple to change the background color, or if you have some specific color, for example you want to change with color code, for example the black one, so you can have the black one. Not only this, you can use pure white, you can use any other color or the combination of color, whatever you have, so you can use. For example, I'm using pure white here. And you can replace this background, body background, with an image as well. So let me search an image. Website background image. Any image you can use, but remember, must use a copyright image, not any image. And here, for just for example, I'm using this image. Copy image address, and instead of background color I use background image, and the URL here I need to provide the URL of image and save this. Here we have changed the URL. So this is one of the PNG. You can use your website image, or you can use any image that you want to replace in the background. So for example, let me use this one, page address. See? And you can also use gift images. Gift is actually moving images. Website background. See, as replaced with the gift. Okay, what else you can do with the CSS? See, this bar is actually called the search bar or the main search bar. So we can change the color of this. So if you use Google Chrome, you can inspect as well, like inspect, and you can see this area is called opaque main search. If I can zoom this, already zoom. Okay, opaque main search. So you just need to copy this area, and you can in fact check on this, like on the inspect, and change the color as well. For example, maroon one. Okay, so let me copy this. I'll show you what I actually did. It's not saved right now. See, so what I need to do, see, this area name is opaque main search, and I want to change the background only, not looking for the margin and the padding. So if you want to change the margin, if you want to change the padding as well, so you can use also. So there you can see this is this color, and I can change this to black, for example. Background color, give this. Now you will see this color will change to black. See, so we have changed this color. So what about this button? Why not we change the color of this button according to our theme? So let me inspect this. I'll show you the name of this area. It's actually button primary or primary button, something like this. So there you can see. Let me copy. Actually two shades color. This one can reduce red. Black. Or you can use the color code as well. I don't. See, red and black. So this way we have changed this button color, and this label, this is called label. Search whatever written here is called label. So you can also change the label color. So label, and the label color, for example, I just use white color here. See, now it's white. Or you can write directly color name instead of using color code. So you can write red, for example. See, why we use color code? Because of uh, specific shades, because of specific color we use color code, or for solid color we can use the color name directly. So see, it's white now. You can use the color code. So same thing. Okay, and what else you can use with CSS? See, this this part. If you have noticed this part, the image is not moving here because this part is the main body part. I mean, this is the body part, this is the main body background, and this is the main body within the or main user block. You can say whatever you write here in the main user block, or whatever you write in the news area, it will display here. So you can actually change the color of this according to your theme. So let me change the main color, uh, main background color black, for example. uh, okay, I think black. Just checking this. Here, this. See, it has changed with black. Or the same image you can use here. For example, this one, those that we have used in the body, can also use the same image in the main body. I mean the center part. See, now it has working all on the back. And what else we can do? We can add a border with the main body, like this one, to prominent this one. So we can add a border over here. Uh, okay, to add a border, we just need to write the border here. Border, define the border size, for example 1px. Color style, for example solid color. Color code, you can write color code or you can use simple color. See, and this is something a news someone added here, so you can replace this news to go in the tools, and there you can replace a news. So, and what I said, let me change this main to color, feed of image, very simple white color. And you can use some transparency or something else that suit to your theme. See, this is plain white color, and there you can also add some pictures or something else. Someone added news here from the tools portion, so you can also replace this. And because we are using a demo system, okay, and what else you can do, you can change this image, I mean link color, for example, this link color according to your thing. So like a link, set it. This one, color, for example. I hope I have written the right CSS. See, you can change the link color as well. So even according to your theme, for example. So the links are working, but color has changed. Okay, so that's all for today. We have worked on the Koha OPAC user CSS, and we have changed the body color, we have changed the body image, and we have changed, here we are. So we have changed the body image, we have changed the body color. We also know how we can change the body color, background color, and we have worked on this search bar color. So we have changed the search bar color. We have also changed the color of this label. We have also changed the color of this button, I mean the search bar button, and the link color, how we can change them in the body, I mean the main body. So what we have changed the color of main body, we know how we can add an image within main body. So this is all for today, and I want your comment in the comment section of this video. You must like this video so we will move forward to some other tricks of CSS including JS. So we will use some JS, and some other video we will show how we can change different areas of the Koha OPAC. That's all for today. You're watching Raflims. Thank you very much for watching. This is Farooq.